In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Zoom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Logging out of Zoom is a simple process, and it's really important to do if you're using a shared device or if you want to ensure that your account remains secure. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the steps. First, you'll want to open the Zoom desktop application if you have it installed. If you prefer to use a web browser, you can do that as well. Just head over to the Zoom website and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the application or website, you'll see a familiar interface that you've likely navigated before. Next, look up to the top right corner of the window. There you'll find your profile picture icon. This icon could also be an initial or avatar if you haven't uploaded a picture. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. In that drop-down menu, you're looking for the Sign Out option. It's typically located near the bottom of the list. Click on Sign Out, and this action will initiate the logout process. Now, after you've clicked Sign Out, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen asking if you really want to log out. Take a moment here to ensure that you did intend to log out. When you're ready, simply confirm by clicking on Yes. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Zoom. It really is as quick and easy as that. Just to recap, remember to always log out, especially if you're on a shared computer, to protect your account's privacy. Now, if you're using Zoom primarily on your mobile device, the process is quite similar. Just open your Zoom app and tap on the Settings icon found at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see your profile or account info and tap on it. You should find the Sign Out option there as well. Just confirm your choice and you're logged out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or if you're experiencing issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd be more than happy to assist you further. Don't forget, logging out is a good practice for all your online accounts. It ensures that your information stays safe and secure. So before you leave any platform, take the moment to sign out whenever necessary. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your online tools effectively.